are you gonna kill us, dude?
with some paper cards.
What's your strategy?
Use Exodia.
Ya perdió este güey. Okay. You guys ready? Let's
Are
go.
you ready?
Who's going first?
I'll go first.
Okay, go.
Whoa.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
Oh shit.
He can't. He can't read it.
I've summoned Future Samurai and attack mode. I'm gonna play one card face down.
Ooh. Dun dun dun. He'll die first.
Summon the giant foot monster. What the hell are you doing?
Fingering the table. What are you doing, dude?
Your turn.
My turn. Okay. This is how it's gonna go down, fuckers. I'm gonna lose.
Oh, the camera's gonna.
No, I won't fall.
Yeah, I get it.
They're all backwards and shit. Wait, this is what I'm gonna do. Wait, put that one face down. Dun dun dun.
You just brought your radio for sound.
Oh yeah,
I don't
look at
need
this
him.
one, motherfucker.
I don't need that one either.
Sure, that's a soundtrack from like Star Wars.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm done. Okay, it's your turn. It's all you. It's all you.
Chisel. Ooh, okay. I play.
Como que no te peinaste, ¿no?
Who?
Nada. Keep going.
I heard you, bitch. Summon Stone Statue of the Aztecs in defense mode, right?
Mhm.
Alright then.
My battery's dying.
Okay, my turn.
No. Now that I thought, no. Alright then. I activate my Future Samurai special ability, right? Since it's on the field still, I will destroy one of your monsters and remove from play, right? So should I kill like Talia's card or what's his face's card?
Alan.
What?
That one, he wants to kill that one or that one?
Kill Talia's card. Oh damn.
What card was it?
Tyrant Dragon.
What was it?
Tyrant Dragon.
What the- Oh, I remember that one.
Yeah, that's the one that whooped your ass last time.
Yeah, I remember. Okay, Octavius, it's your turn.
Hey, is that in Spanish? Oh, never mind.
Come on, I have an hour to record.
The name's all erotic and shit.
Stay tuned. We're gonna go on a commercial.
Okay.
On the next episode. Oh yeah, it's your turn. Go.
And the next episode of plastic cards with drawings on them.
I use this guy. I'm gonna attack this guy.
You gonna attack that guy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What is this? I'll put the mother in.
I don't have a fucking name.
How much attack does that have? A little bit? A lot? Enough? Oh damn, that's a lot.
His hands are cold. He's not shaking. His hands are cold. ¿Ya? Y lo tocaste, güey. ¿Ya?
Ya te toca.
Okay.
Ya te grabo, hombre.
Mames, ni merga.
Sí.
We're in Mexico. Mexico.
Okay.
Está oscuro, no te miras casi.
Qué bueno.
Ni siquiera se mira tu.
Like, what is a giant black fin?
Tiro una.
Put Exodia down. Attack this guy.
Ah, fuck you.
You're dead.
I'm dead, okay. Bye.
Look, you see him? Right there? Him? He's dead.
Again? But
Hey, my daddy's home! Look! Ah,
Hey,
he's
look what I
like
had.
it.
In my fucking hand.
Okay, okay. So what if Exodia and Exodia fight together? What happens? They both die?
The world ends. Alright.
Wait, I'm not done! No trap cards, fuckers. I'm sad. I killed you.
Alright, then ready? I'm about to kill right now. I activate brain control. Get Exodia. Kill this guy. Zero.
I gave back my Exodia, fucker.
It's like I need the bitch.
Next time on Yu-Gi-Oh. This loser right here and this one.
She's gonna win.
Next time on Yu-Gi-Oh, what's gonna happen? Is who's gonna win again? Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball. I mean, cards with faces on them that made out of plastic and paper and colors and stars.
So what, are we gonna play another episode?
Fuck that. It's cold outside.
Bring a jacket.
I wanna go to my house. I'm thirsty. I'm take my plastic cards. Take my.
Why the fuck would I want your plastic? Hi, Dad. Why would I want your plastic cards?
Hola. Well, they just whooped their ass for the third time.
Not like I know how to use them. So why the fuck would I want them? You want a jacket, dude?
You have a jacket my size?
I think I might. Let me go get it.
We'll bring one of Lalo's for Octavio. No, who's leaving?
Where?
Oh, who just came?
Me?
Oh, who's this? Your brother?
Mine.
Oh, is it Jordan?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be too big.
Fucker. Here you go, Jim.
Is that Lalo's?
Mine.
I'm gonna feel like a blanket.
You know what? Fuck this, I'm gonna use my other deck this time.
What?
Like I'm gonna be able to win anyways.
Oh, we're doing this again?
Yeah, for sure. Didn't you see how funny that was? Hey, 69, eh? 69.
With life points?
No, 69. That's what my
Oh,
Spanish
shit.
says, dude. What does that mean? I haven't even stopped recording, dude. It's because you guys are so hilarious.
Oh, there's like a hair on my face.
I'm using this one. I'm gonna lose anyways, but I'm gonna use it. I negate.
What'd you call me? Again?
He's player 69. Because he likes it that way. Then nasty. And that one's a skull player.
This is Esqueleto.
And what do you guys are gonna put in me? A ver.
What?
What's my name today?
Confused girl.
I'm confused, girl. Okay. Assholes.
Call you Porky the Pig.
Fuck you.
Oh, it's like he's eating my underwear. Yeah, I'm just gonna put 2,000, dude.
Oh, you don't even die, you.
This is like whoever gets hit first
Guys.
is gonna die.
Okay, ready? I'll go first.
Everyone until everybody goes, let's go.
I'll go first.
I have to go first.
3,
Oh,
4.
what the fuck? I just drew the same shit.
Okay. Who's gonna record?
Huh?
Here, record up this. Okay. I got my cards. Wait, I dropped one. I threw.
9.
How many life points are you playing, guys?
2,000.
2,000. Okay. I put Exodius now?
Ah, fuck!
Hey, everybody has to go.
Yeah, one turn.
Okay. I'm first anyways. I'll kill you guys anyway.
My turn?
Oh, there.
My turn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's your turn.
Go, Octavio.
What?
Go. No,
Here,
just go.
I'll
Just go.
record.
Just go. Just go.
I'm dying, dude. He's thinking.
I'm like Mario. I'm going down the pipe. My turn?
What'd you do?
You did stuff?
Yeah.
My turn?
No.
Activate the hammer shot. Goodbye to your
Fuck no. Everyone has to go, fucker.
Goodbye to your soldier.
I can't move. I'm
I said
recording.
good day.
Remove it from play.
Ah,
Alright then, check it out.
Yeah.